Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. We are live. Just gonna get my financial juice going here. What a reversal from last night. We tapped all the way into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and look at that, just tapped into it a couple times and just straight back down here. Kind of like swept Asia low here. Now, are they going to be going for to close the gap now? Quite possibly. I didn't expect it to take this long to get down there. So maybe we're going to get a little bit of a pop here, and then we're going to go lower after that. So let's see. Yeah, no big news today. Was there a catalyst that created this? Senior Iranian officials of all Iranian entities will be prepared to escalate tensions in the Hormuz Strait in the region if diplomacy fails. So that's probably what started this sell-off here. Was there something before that? Trump was talking. Trump threatens to bomb Oman. That was at 7:10 a.m. Looks like the start of the sell-off happened when Trump was talking about bombing Oman. Didn't come out as a red folder, but he was talking about it. All right. Hey, Born Hunting, good morning to you. How are you doing this morning? Looks like we got 3 people in YouTube so far and 5 people in X.
Taught me where it's stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Up, coffee ready, waiting for the opportunity. Nice. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I'm thinking there's a good chance we're going to go fill this gap, right? Like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove. Hey, chill out. Project Music. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Assuming you're sir. My apologies if you're not, but good morning. Sometimes with these non-generic or like non-generic names, you can't really tell who it is. So first light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. Playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wide.
Yeah, so looking like this could be the target. We do have another bearish fair value gap above to the top side. So if we get the chance to invert this guy, I could definitely see us sort of targeting 30,000, 400 area, 450 here. Looks like we have another 1 hour fair value gap right there, which I didn't notice earlier.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I
So we're gonna have to keep an eye on this one first, actually, because this one's kind of an earlier target. So obviously we're pretty strong to the bearish side, leaving a whole bunch of bearish fair value gaps on the way down here on the 5-minute. Let's see if this one's going to hold. If this thing doesn't hold, maybe our next stop is going to be the VWAP, or we got the midnight open price. We do have a 80% setup for the PLC down here, so we haven't activated or engaged this PLC yet. How's everybody doing this morning? Do you guys catch any trades here this morning? Wishing I was awake earlier, because this was looking pretty nice. We got this Trump news, Trump Truth Social probably, or something, and then that just kind of like started the catalyst here of going down. So hi Tam, hey, good morning, how are you doing? Pretty well. You had some sleep? Nice. Yeah, I got a bit, not enough to be honest, but I got some also. Hey, there's Angia. Good morning to you, sunshine. Yeah, we got about 12 minutes here till the bell. 12 minutes and 10 seconds. We do have the gap below. We haven't filled that yet. We got an 80% setup targeting the previous day's point of control. So, I mean, we might get a pop out of the gate here. Quite possibly, because we are often, when we're kind of bearish heading into the open, we might get a pop before we move lower.
coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be.
So we are finding a little bit of resistance here in this bearish fair value gap. Let's see if we can't get some more continuation back down to these lows. I do want to see us, close the gap here to the downside. There's a large bullish fair value gap kind of in the middle. I'm not going to pull this one all the way over. It's just so large. We got a 1 hour bullish fair value gap in that area. So I could definitely see us sort of pulling back to the midpoint of this guy, tapping this POC, and then possibly going bullish after that.
Another crack it in cute, don't gone dark.
So it is Monday. It's a no news Monday. So just be aware, everybody. Anything can happen on a no news Monday.
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face, then cut when you switch. But life got a balance. Calm as that bitch.
You guys are so friendly in the chat. Hi Tam, Angia. Thanks for being in the channel here, guys. I appreciate you guys. I got some red rose tea this morning in my little bear cup. And I just realized that my streaming lights aren't on. Hey, there's Jerry Trades in the chat. Good morning. Good morning, Jerry. How's your morning going? We do have about 9 minutes here till the bell. So let's see. Hopefully we're going to go. Hopefully the idea is correct here. We're going to go close this gap and potentially head to the previous day's point of control. We might get a little bounce, but so we do have this triple top here that we had finally broken through. So as you can see, we popped up. We actually made a fourth top there. Pulled all the way back down, kind of like played around for a couple days here, and then we finally broke out. So I could definitely see us getting support here. I wouldn't be looking for this to go much lower than this 30,055 area. Hey, Skeletor, how are you? Is the gap near 168? The gap is... yeah, 160, well, 155 to 167-ish. 155 to 167, or 166.25. Are you you think 168 is going to be the target? So I feel like there is a good chance we're gonna pop out of the gate here, and then turn bearish and head lower. So, oh, you might set along there. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's a good idea. Just keep in mind, Skeletor, we do have an 80% setup. So the previous day's point of control down here hasn't been tapped since we closed. So there's an 80% chance that we're going to head for this guy. Now, obviously, it's not a guarantee, but just keep that in mind. That if we end up pushing right through this guy, through the that gap that we left, this could be the potential target. And it also lines up with, like I said earlier, guys, we have a sort of like a quadruple top. Actually, we had these triple top here, which we were going for quite a while, and then we got another top right there. This could potentially be the support level also, right? So as we've kind of seen it once already here on this one, we pulled back down into here and then bounced off of there and went higher. So yeah, just keep that in mind, that if we end up taking that gap with some volume and close like strong down below, there's a good chance we're going to head down to the POC here. So we got about 4 minutes here to the bell. Boop. The gap fill is 155. Yeah, 155. I just heard Nick come into the chat or into the stream here. I wonder, is his camera not working properly, guys?
It's not working right. It's all sorts of funky right now.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'll have it fixed by tomorrow night. Everybody be looking at the gap fills today.
Yeah. So here's that little push that I was thinking we were going to get. Now, are the bears going to continue? I don't know. We'll have to see.
We shall see. Which trading today? MNQ?
Yes. Yeah, how long do we have here to the bell? About 4 minutes. D Blueprint, hey, what's up? What's going on? So we do have this bearish fair value gap here on the 5 minute that's sitting right at value area high. Value area high 212.
Karma is a bitch, she don't forget every little lie, every broken bet. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits.
A couple more minutes here till the bell.
You got a bias for this morning?
Yeah, I mean, I'm leaning a little bit bearish at the moment. We do have the gap below, and we have 80% set up for the POC. We tapped into that bearish fair value gap up in 30,350-ish area, and obviously we've been bearish since. There was a Trump something tweet this morning, which seemed like it was a catalyst to that sell-off around 7:10 a.m. there. So we'll have to see how that ends up playing out. And what do we got here? We got about 1 minute here till the bell. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck. I hope luck doesn't have to be what comes into play today. I was hoping today would be an easy read, and
could be.
We shall see.
We shall see. We shall see. We need it. High Time. High Time says we need it.
Yeah, we do.
15 seconds here. Good luck. Good luck. Let's say it one more time.
All right, everybody. Good luck. And away we go.
There we off. So this is what I was thinking. We were going to get a pop here up to the VWAP. And then if this is going to end up playing out, we're going to potentially get a bearish move lower.
Let's see if the market still cares about Trump tweets.
We do have some volume balls coming in on the buy side here from that opening candle.
We are at the previous session VWAP right now.
Are you trading RTY again, or?
Right now I'm on MNQ.
Okay. Those other ones aren't looking so good this morning compared to the other day.
Yeah, I wasn't thrilled with the price action from the pre-market, so I'm gonna look at that after the opening range is set.
Nice. Okay. Makes sense. Scaltor is up to 120 bucks already. Yes, very nice job there, Scaltor. I mean, I just feel like there's got to be a pretty good chance we're going to go take out this this gap. We're pretty close to it, but I mean, no guarantee in anything here. But
yeah. Looks like we're getting resistance at the 21 EMA and at VWAP, so
and then, like I said, we got the 80% set up, potentially previous day's POC there, down at 30,065. So, but that would have to, first off, we would have to get a nice strong take of the gap, right?
So I got 4 micros and a short on NQ right now. Average price is 231. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, 230. Wait, where the heck is my? I'm sorry, 30,220 is my average price. All right, I'm taking my 50 bucks and calling it. We got 156 orders down at 150.
Yeah, buyers could have sort of stepped in there at the 200 so far on the NQ here.
Yeah, it got down to what, 190?
Yeah,
But we are hitting that 21 EMA and showing a little bit of resistance again.
one of these morning candles here. That imbalance playing out.
All right, I got another 4 micros in short at 226.50, locking in 40 bucks. I'm up a couple hundred now.
Nice, nice. Okay, I was in a short there too. I got 1 micro off, 1 stop, locking in some profits here.
You're
I'm just
locking
gonna
in
try
profits.
to. Yeah, I took 1 off and I'm locking in a stop into the money here.
All right.
So worst case scenario, I'm gonna make about 90-ish. If this thing decides to bounce on us here, hopefully we get a little more continuation lower. This 5-minute bearish fair value gap has been holding. Looks like it might take me out here if this thing continues going up.
I'm not sure it's going to.
My entry is basically right near the midnight open price, the overnight VWAP there. Yeah, it looks like it's going to get me right here. Yep, I'm out. Well, 121 bucks, not bad, not a bad start.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good start to a morning on 2 micros.
Looks like, oh, I just noticed, yeah, so we got ES had taken previous day low. That could have been why we were bouncing there. ES and Dow, both pretty heavy. I kind of wish I had that. I was like wanting to watch that ES's previous day low as a confluence, but I kind of forgot to like pay attention to that right there. Ended up working out because I put my stop in the money, but I probably could have taken both of those contracts off.
Just took another short, 6 micros.
Looking at the book map, it looks like most of the orders are below.
Well, the bigger orders are definitely below.
I got into a short. Also, I'm targeting 180 area. Almost
All right,
there. Here, come on, tap it.
Just added another 2 in here.
There we go. I took off those ones too. So I'm now up 200 in that account.
Very good.
Tapped into those orders at low 80s. We did get a bearish or a sell volume ball, 216 contracts at 30,180.
All right, I just added another 2 micros to this. So I'm in with 10 micros and so far up about 750.
Another 310 contracts at sold into at 30,168. So yeah, so it looks like we're getting the gap fill here right now. Almost. We tapped into the gap there.
All right, I'm taking my $406. Oh man, I closed that out too early. Just dropped right back down.
Yeah, I did. It did tap that gap though. It didn't close it, but it tapped it. So we could get a bounce here.
Either way, I'm glad I'm out of it, but I wish I would have waited 3 seconds longer. I would have doubled my PML.
No doubt, right?
We did manage to cross below the London low. We tapped into the Asia low. I'm still feeling a little bearish on this. And by a little, I mean a lot.
We tapped into that New York there. We still have that 5-minute bearish fair value gap from pre-market. So a couple confluence here saying hopefully we're going to stay below value area high.
I just put in another short, 2 micros.
IB low.
Oh, closing that out. There we go.
Initial balance low. I don't have an IB low yet. We need to have 1 hour into market, don't we?
Yes. Unless you're looking at Friday's IB low.
Yeah, I usually don't watch previous days IB low, but so if I mean I had it on there in the last session, but I took it off since then, Angia. Yeah, we're currently not really going anywhere at the moment, Blackout. Good observation here. Heading back up. We still have orders down here, 30,155 area. 154, 155, yeah. 200 and a little over 300 contracts, maybe even 400 or 500 contracts down, spread out between 63 down to 48 area. You're short, but you don't like it? Skeletor's waiting for the 15-minute orb. Nice, nice.
Looks like ES is pushing down a little bit more now too.
Yeah, oh yeah. Now below previous day low, value area low. Dow's pushing up. NQ's sort of pulling back.
Is Dow going to be the contrarian again today?
Seems like it so far. I mean, it's been pretty bearish all night, so I wouldn't doubt it. It's going to bounce here a bit. So there we go. ES and NQ sort of popping up here. Having trouble getting through previous day low, value area low on ES. NQ still below the VWAP though. And we do have orders below on the book. Anything further out? So we do have some contracts up there at 30,300 on the bullish side.
Yeah, it's below VWAP. Strong push down. Can't be bullish right now.
Yeah. Interesting. Both ES and NQ pushing up a little bit here, and then YM's printing a bearish candle, and now it's flipped the other way. Just like that. YM's now at the overnight VWAP. YM sideways? Yeah, a little bit, but looks like it's trying to go higher. Probably going to go retest previous day low. Little buyer got absorbed there. 58 contracts at 191. Saw a green ball come on, and then instantly we went back. We went lower there. YM is sideways. Yep, we're pulling back down on YM now. Let's see if YM's going to actually join the other two, because they're all three are printing a bearish candle at the moment now. So we're let's see if we can't get this this gap closure now on the MNQs. Looks like the buyers are still sort of down there. A bunch of orders still coming on here also, actually up, you know, 30,000, 170, 165, 160. Hey, you're taking your $36 blackout?
That's $36 you didn't have 20 minutes ago, so
yep.
Take it.
Hey, there's Tim. Good morning. How is Tim doing this morning?
All right, I just put in another 4 micro short on NQ.
Creating lots of wicks on the top side. This 200 is going to be sort of the key level. The VWAP sitting right at the 200 mark. YM is looking bullish again here. ES is getting pulled up a little bit on it. And, you know, NQ with this indecision candle here.
All right, I cut that. No more long on, or no more short on that one.
Bouncing a bit here, 30,000 to 14. So they're heading back up to the overnight VWAP.
Just pushed through the overnight VWAP.
Nice, up 172 there, Blackout News. Nice job. I like how it filled the wick on the 5-minute chart. Nice, nice. So some of those orders that they had in the 60s to 70s, they looks like they pulled them off a bit. It's got a little bit, you know, a little bit more empty looking down there. So let's see if we can't head back down to those lows and take out that that gap now. A little bit less in the way, it looks like. All right, we got a buyer volume ball there, 237.
Decent push through the VWAP there.
Mm-hmm. Delta is up. Beware of shorts, in my opinion. Fair. That's fair. Back below the VWAP there, the overnight.
Forming a 5-minute indecision candle here. Just a little 3 micro short, long scalp.
Okay,
made 30.
Nice.
Made $30.
Nice. Yeah, we were popping there. That's for sure. Okay, Skeletor, you have a great day. Skeletor's calling it. He's green. Gotta head to work. Trade safe, everybody. Sort of playing around here, 30,230. We just had a buy or a sell volume ball there, 72 contracts at 229, but we didn't get any push through there. So I'm wondering if the buyers are actually just absorbing these guys right now.
That's kind of what it's looking like. There's a little bit of resistance at 50 on NQ. If it breaks above 58, I'll probably end up looking for longs.
Pretty strong closure on that candle there. Hey, there's Night Build Audio.
We up.
Nice job, nice job. He's up $200 in each account. FN trades 500 on the personal account. Very nice.
We're above the developing point of control right now by about 25 points. Above New York VWAP. Playing around with overnight VWAP though. I want to see a strong closure above that overnight before I take a long.
So now we had a 62 micro buy volume ball at 30,231, which is lining up with the sell volume ball.
Lovely.
62 and 72. Definitely a mixed bag. Even the algos don't know what they're doing this morning. Yeah, I was trying to go bearish there a bit, but it seems like the buyers are still sitting there.
Yeah, they're defending that 220.
Yeah, kind of like that's where that PLC developing, well, the New York PLC developing PLC is. YM's rolling over here. ES is playing again with previous day low, value area low.
Yes. Come on, NQ, make up your mind. Show me something good here.
Oh. So we still have those contracts down at just above 30,150, sort of at the gap closure. And now we have a cluster that have been coming on here above 262, although it looks like it's thinning out a little bit as we're pushing lower here. $30,287, 105 contracts, and a bit of a cluster in between there. Price action is crazy. Yeah, it's a little indecisive. Hey, high time. Just higher time frame, we are sort of in a bullish context, right?
Looking at the 30-minute, yeah.
Like we had that push up on Thursday, and then Friday was a bit of a sell-off, but a hold at a pretty nice level. Now we made a new high in pre-market, so we're putting in lower highs, or yeah, higher lows and higher highs. So overall time context is like pretty bullish, but we still have that gap, which is a potential draw. Although we tapped the very top of it, and the 80% setup. No guarantee that we're going to go tap that, though. You know, it is only 80%. So,
yeah, it's only 80%.
All right, we're heading back towards value area high here.
I'm really not loving this price action today.
Yeah, it's pretty indecisive here. Mr. Dave, do you mind if I tell other people to use a code on My500 Futures because they got an offer to buy 25K rapid account for only $25? Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's fine. No problem. Come on, NQ. Let's just go sweep. At least go sweep that gap. It's like right there. After you do that,
it's just under you. Come on.
Don't leave that gap. That would just be annoying. So this candle rejected sort of at the overnight VWAP. Now we're finding support at the New York VWAP. Stuck between the two VWAPs here. Kind of a flat situation here, probably is best.
You think?
Up 90 on the 50K funded, 172 on your 25K eval. Nice job, Blackout News. Nice job, buddy. That was rough. Well, if you're feeling like that, that's a good idea to just wrap it up.
Yep. Right? Kind of how I'm feeling about this session right now. Not a bad idea to just wrap it up. Small caps are starting to push back up again.
Small cap stocks?
Yeah. RTY.
Okay, gotcha. Oh yeah, that's RTY is based on small caps. Gotcha. You think this will go below 30,100 by the end of the day, Mick?
I can't even really say.
Kind of struggling here at the 200s. Well, we're looking a little bearish here. ES is finally sort of below a value area low, previous day low. Dow's mixed bag still. NQ sort of pushing down here, as we can see. If this is going to go lower, I think ES needs to start heading lower too here. If we're going to go to the gap or not.
It's like getting on the train in London. Mind the gap.
Mind the gap, y'all. Let's go NQ. Come on. I want to see that gap filled. We have still a cluster orders came back on sort of at the 180, 175, 162, 150 area. Push right through these orders here.
We got another 23 minutes before the initial balance is set. RTY doesn't seem to be able to get above that 65 level. So I think I am actually going to be putting in a short here. I just got to find the right time to do it.
All right, looking like they're trying to go to the gap here. I did take a trade in my top TPT account. Got stopped out at 62.50 in profit, and now it's like way down there.
Well, that's not great.
Almost 30 points lower. So basically, would have had double the P&L right now. Now, if we end up closing the gap. Look at that. We tapped halfway into the gap there, 161. So about 6 points away from closing the gap there. Just doesn't want to do it.
Oh, this price action is stupid right now.
Nasty NASDAQ, guys. Nasty NASDAQ. It's dirty.
Thank you, dirty.
Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you.
Good day to go to the airport? Yeah, Chris. Good day to go to the airport.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Every day is a good day to go to an airport.
You picking somebody up, Chris, or are you going somewhere? So we did tap into those orders a bunch. We had a couple of sell volume balls here, 82 contracts at 180 and then 65 at 160, 166. But then a pretty strong bounce from there. 40, 50 point bounce from the lows there. Well, if they're gonna close the gap fully, they're sure trying to like shake out the traders before they do it. So
all right, so RTY just broke through that 65 level I was talking about, so I'm in with 4 minis.
Chris is dropping off family. Nice. Sorry, what'd you say there, Nick?
The RYT just broke through that 65 level, so I'm in with 4 minis.
Long or
long? All right, I'm down 150 bucks on this so far.
Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
So sounds like Chris had some family visiting, I'm guessing, and then you had to take and drop them off.
That sounds lovely.
I don't think you mean like your wife or kids or whatever going on vacation and you're staying home. Hopefully not. I mean, I guess it's always possible.
I mean, if you like your alone time, that's great.
Or if he's got to work. We had a spammer in the Discord yesterday, and me and Chris both kind of attacked, tried to ban him real quick.
Flipping idiots.
What would I do?
I'm out of that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got out of that, lost 180.
Oh, okay.
I'm all right with that. We're good.
Mhm.
Still in the game.
Yes, sir. FN trades a Butcher. What would you do for a Klondike bar? I wouldn't really do much for it because I'm lactose intolerant. FN.
So he would poop himself for a Klondike bar.
Yeah. FN trades Asian Asia or NY.
All right, so we got price back under that 65 level on RYT. It just pushed down and it's still pushing. We're getting to the simple moving average right now. All right, not hating this one at all. Got my 8 minis in.
ENA long?
Short.
Short, okay.
So I am about to close this out. I want to see how it plays with that. I'm sorry. I want to see how it plays with that 62. If it goes through, it'll hold it for a few seconds more. Hey, look at that. There it goes. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer structure. FVG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. All right, I'm up 840 so far. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps. Sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows. Market butcher gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, neck gas explosive. If you ain't ready. Right up 1,000. Market butcher crew, base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, if the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell. All right, I'm locking in 520 here. So I got my stop loss now down at 3,062.60. Oh, am I gonna get stopped out? Oh, I closed it. All right, I took 760 on that trade. So I made up for my my loss. I'll be right back. Oh, you can't see me anyway, so.
But we can hear your voice.
Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine.
Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L.Bar stream joke. Going crazy, don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much.
Here we go, guys. Are we going to close this gap here?
Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good tracks D, well managed. Imagine that. Lone wolf blue say oil, dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris
yeah, I did apply for my funded futures affiliate, but it still says, thank you for applying. We're working hard to review your application as soon as possible. So I haven't got approved on that yet, unfortunately.
Posting schedules every day, pre-market and Y Globix all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid.
Hey Zara, good morning. No, I'm not trading the gold this morning. I think Nick was trading Russell. Yeah, he's big Teflon. He was short in Russell. Sorry about that. I missed your comment there. Another low volume chop fest. I'm looking forward to September already. Yeah. You think August is going to be like this or what? Are we going to close the gap here? Let's see. Let's see. Mustang trader, market but your crew. Base hits forever. That's what we do. Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. NQ is dirty. If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell. So ES kind of pushing back down below previous day low, value area low. YM rolling over a little bit, but we're in a bullish fair value gap. NQ at previous day's New York VWAP there. So Friday's VWAP and also Thursday's VWAP sort of aligning here. So this could be a key support level. Doctor, hi Matt. Hey, good morning. How are you? How are you, buddy? Tapped into this guy again, but we didn't fill the gap here. We got a bunch of orders there, you know, between 160 and 150. So 2, 3, 525 orders, basically just between 60 and 50. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid VWAP, whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art.
You win anything now?
No. I would like to see us get through this gap here. Then I can maybe think about trying to find a trade to target the POC. But so far, we're kind of finding support here at the two previous days VWAP. So Thursday and Friday's VWAPs aligning on NQ at 30,174.
All right, I switched this over to micros now. I'm up in half my accounts. I'm down in the other half.
All right, slow grind it back if you can.
Yep.
Some little trades here and not make it worse.
Yeah, I am just under break even by like across all the accounts.
Oh, gotcha.
About $300 down for the day.
Mhm. See, are they going to finally take these orders here? They came back down, had another sell volume ball there. Well, it kind of disappeared for some reason. There was, oh, there we go. There we go. Starting to push into those orders here. Are they going to take the gap here? They didn't quite get to the 55s though. They bounced. Look at that. There's quite a few orders down there. So is 56 going to be the bottom, man? Really? Like they're going to leave 1 point from closing the gap? It's like 154.75.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows, market but your gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market but your crew, base hits forever, that's what we do.
They're gonna attempt it one more time here or not? They're trying to get below. They're holding back above that those two VWAPs. Thursday, Friday VWAPs here.
It's about to push down just a little bit.
Definitely trying to. Got through some
making an effort. Watch, I say that and it just launches up. That's usually the way it goes for me. I think it's going to push down a little and then it goes up a lot. So exactly the opposite of what I think is what you should be looking at.
So you should be like, oh, it's going to go up. And then it's going to go down.
Yeah.
I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ swinging stops in a rip switch. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase highs when we pull back. Paper hands dry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Back above those two people up here.
So what did I tell you? I think it's going to go down more, and it goes up.
I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MNQ 50 out, then it dips quick. In reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this.
And yeah, Tim was asking what that code for MFF is. If you missed that. Another sell volume ball here coming on at the 175 area. 106 contracts. Seems like they're kind of getting absorbed though.
Hey, you'll never guess what I just made on my short.
36.50.
You got it.
Nice.
It's getting to be a little bit ridiculous with these $36.50 trades.
dropping schedules right on time. Your gym saying MNQ dirty every night. J-Ma yelling hit the light. Top 40 stacking payouts right. It's bringing all the hype. Got laughing through another spike. Chris says wait, don't chase that way. Take your profit.
MNQ did just get a buy volume ball.
Ooh, popping up here.
Yeah, we got 204 orders down at 30,150. Still liking shorts. Just not at the moment.
Smart money moving quietly. Retail chasing wildly. Mustang drawing every zone. Patience always brings us home. VWAP is king. Everybody sing.
Where did Angie go? I think Tim was looking for a code. She's probably bouncing around between streams. She's a busy girl.
Let the candle swing. Don't go broke. Taking profits. That's our thing.
This is a new song.
It's been around for, yeah, it's relatively new. Not super new, but newer-ish. So Bear's trying to hold this 30,200 level.
Back again, smart money always knows. Force fed calling out the moves. Randy's cool, he's got the groove. Jury waiting, never rush. One clean setup, that's enough. Top 40 says reach first, bro. Moon boys, dogs stole the show. Juicy nitrous, rocket fly. Everybody laughing all night. No FOMO, only
Kind of got a wick test there.
steal the show.
Pulled back and found support at 185.
Walk away. Tomorrow brings another day. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Price comes back.
Dr. Hammett, you buy and sell? She's probably in the shower again. Hey, Tim. Yeah. She sure likes her showers 2-3 times a day.
Supposed to warn us about that before it happens.
Yeah, what the heck, Angie?
My paper account has been not doing a whole lot.
Oh, you take paper trades when
Yeah, in the pre-market for a while, every time she was like, "Oh, I'm taking my second shower," I was like, I had a paper trade account that was just called the Angia shower account.
Oh yeah, nice.
I would take a long every time she did that.
I always thought it was a short when she's showering.
No, it was a long.
Gotcha. It's a short when she goes number 2.
That I was not tracking. That's just that's a little weird. Not my idea of a good time.
I think that was just like one of those comments that I heard in one of the other streams there.
Yeah, probably.
FVG one more pullback at Rico. Market butcher. Still the show. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Market butcher.
Is it coming down again, or is it gonna just sit here at this 200 level?
Seems like it's just sitting here. It tapped into those orders below down at, the 50, 60 area, and then just look at that bounce, 45-point bounce again, 40-point bounce.
VWAP is king. VWAP is king.
And it's looking like the buyers and sellers are fighting it out at 200.
Yeah, there's a song for that actually. Jerry's song.
Of course there is.
This one. Wiggling candle. Somebody's got to find Gordon. Where's Gordon, man? He just got so rich that he had to take a vacation.
Good for him.
Yeah, I haven't seen Gordon in a minute. And then there's Wayne, big boys active. Big boys dip buyers.
All right, I did just put in a 3 micro short.
At the VWAP? Is that on the NQ?
Yeah.
Nice. Still battling out here at the 200s. We dipped down to what, 90, 192, and then just popped right back up to 200, then popped back down a little bit. It's like, geez, these guys are just battling right now.
Call that thing a mini. Nah. That mini's massive. One volatility alternative took 1300 from the range. Keltner channel work and then he shut down the game. Then he traded 8 hours just to end where he began. As I fly said, that's 8 hours of experience, my man. Jerry took some losses, thought the session went bad. Check the account, still green. Now he ain't even mad. Jerry.
All right, I took 1 micro off of that.
Nice.
And I just locked in $27 hairs.
Nice.
And I'm out. That was like a $40 trade. I'm okay with that for right now.
Yeah.
With this
Back
price
to the
I could not.
200s. Jeez.
Mm-hmm.
Owner candle activated.
Was it? I'm not saying it.
No, it's in the song. It's like the song's like, owner candle activated.
Skills whispers. Watch out, there's a cop here. Misk 911 enters.
Well, one thing's for sure, something's gonna happen here soon.
I mean, eventually.
Not that I know about that. Sus. Misk made cookies, nobody have to decide. So now she ain't sharing. Jerry asked for weird comments. Chat took it too far. Dark side's coming out while we're staring at the chart. Misters, don't be lazy. Hit the like. Everybody hit it. We're trading all night. Chop W's in the chat. Break the range, take the scalp, then we give it right back. Liquidity taking gold's D and heavy NASDAQ. Nasty but the butch.
So we got about 23 people in YouTube and 13 people in X. That's a pretty decent turnout right now. 36 people watching this morning. Hopefully everyone's doing all right. This is like Ali versus Fraser. On days like this, I know I'm going to be here all day looking for scalps.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be here all day. I think I'm going to be cutting out of this within the next 15 minutes. This is not my day to be trying to play here.
So we got ES, YM pretty bearish at the moment. NQ sort of holding up the best. So Jerry traded first day trading MNQ again. Not convinced so far at Market Butcher. You haven't been trading MNQ lately, Jerry?
Jerry's been trading ES.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
Let's trade. Late night. NASDAQ open. Market Butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume. Jerry's watching candles. And somebody better find Gordon.
I love that song. Somebody better find Gordon. Gordon.
Another cup before I leave. Ain't nowhere I'm supposed to be. Morning paints the mountain gold like she's telling stories never told. The fire's low, the air is clean. Quiet says more than words have been. Funny how these simple things mean more now than diamond rings.
You holding anything now, or are you waiting to see what?
I'm waiting here. See if we can't one way or the other here. Still kind of holding the bearish channel, or I guess it's actually a bullish channel.
I just put in a 12 micro oil short.
Sunshine, walk through rain. Lost a few and loved enough to know this heart was built for both. Every wrinkle tells a tale. Every scar has earned its place. If I could do it all again, I'd still arrive right here today. So here's to friends I've yet to meet, and those who've long since gone. I swear there's somewhere in the breeze still singing me along. Raise your cup to every road that brought us where we stand. Some dreams don't wait at journey's end. They're resting in your hands. Pour one more cup. There's no need to rush. The world can turn without me now. I've finally had enough. Enough running.
Pushing up above.
Working out for me.
Enough wishing life away. If heaven feels like anything, it starts with mornings just this way.
All right, made $106 on that one.
Nice.
Another cup before I leave. Ain't nowhere I'm supposed to be.
Jerry was trading MES. Makes your heart feel safe and profitable. The risk versus reward on MNQ is tempting, though. Yeah, you can really print dollars fast, but you can also lose those dollars.
Yeah, that's the issue. You got to make sure you have a really wide stop loss if you're using MNQ.
I spend years chasing yesterday, trying to get somewhere fast. Now I'm watching shadows fade.
Yamadad, hey, good morning.
Pour one more
You also really have to make sure your size is small on MNQ.
Yeah. Yeah, if you can stick to like 1, 2, maybe 3 micros, that's ideal.
for the peace I couldn't keep. Now the wind knows my name, and the pines all wave hello. Ain't a thing I need today but one more cup before I go. Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. Tag the close, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P-now blinking red and green. The room is still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show.
Still got about 37 people watching. We got about 24 people YouTube, 13 people in X. Oh, good turnout this morning. Pretty good turnout for a Monday morning. Sorry, the market's not cooperating.
Yeah, right.
Hopefully you guys are learning from us here and just kind of staying flat on this type of nonsense.
Yeah, this isn't the best price action to be playing with here.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need.
Jerry says, like the stream, chat. Hey, thanks for that, Jerry. Appreciate you. Everyone's waiting for a Trump tweet. Yeah.
That might be facts.
Yeah. Doing great now that you're out of Portland, Chris? Nice.
Spent a month in Portland 1 week.
You dropped off your dad? We had a busy week. Nice. Where does your dad live, Chris? It was choppy when I got up this morning. There was some Iran news just before 3 a.m. Yeah. Wisconsin. Nice.
Like Wisconsin. They had a state motto that's one of my favorites. Come freeze in the land of cheese. All right, my RTY long is working out from 363.50.
Portland is a pit. Been there many times, not a major child trafficker center or nothing. I don't know if I should have said that on stream.
I mean, facts is facts, right? All right, looks like RTY is starting to climb up here a little bit. Got 4 contracts in here, locked in $200. Well, 220. So 200 after slippage fees and commissions.
You thought it was come on vacation, leave on probation? You're not wrong about Portland? Really?
Portland's gross.
Oh, guys. Come on.
All right, locking in 380. Locking in 400. Get back up there.
Jerry said he only went there for architecture, didn't realize it was known for other reasons.
All right, added another 4 minis to this.
Ooh, that's RTY?
Yeah. Still have 300 locked in right now.
Nice. Supposed to have some underground tools. There's a lot of history with Chinese migrants out here. Pendleton has a great tour as well. Pendleton. Can't really blame Jerome Powell anymore, guys. This song is a little outdated.
I'll be blaming Jerome Powell for the next 15 years.
Okay. Then never mind. I can leave it on there.
I still wake up in the middle of the night and go, Jerome, why are you messing with me?
High Time said, I had a power nap and we're still ranging. Yep, we are. And we still haven't closed that gap. Still got like a point to go lower if it's going to. ES popped up there and rejected off of value area low, previous day low again. Dow's kind of sort of holding the lows. NQ's kind of looking the more stronger one at the moment. Obviously, this candle's pulling back here to the VWAP. We bounced up and like sort of tapped the top of that channel, which is lining up with the overnight VWAP here that I got drawn on the chart. I'm wondering if we're going to actually head lower here, or is this just a pullback here before they get the momentum to break out to the top side? Because typically these channels that are trending down tend to break out to the top side.
Where's the other kid seat?
Hmm.
Oh, okay. So,
Sounds like you still got some visitors over there. We need ES to break down. If NQ is going to go take out the rest of that gap, we need ES to like start breaking the lows here. We need ES to get below 7,789. We got 5 minutes here till the hourly candle. Looking at exact volume numbers, NQ is low. That would be low for a Friday.
My name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow
Was Canadian CPI today?
chat's going crazy.
I did see something about that this morning.
Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says,
Yeah, CPI, your 3% forecast was 2.9, previous was 2.8.
you just sitting there.
CPI month over month, actual 0.05%, forecast 0.04, previous negative 0.04.
Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching.
Canada has a lot of news this week. Hey, Chris. Yeah, we have FOMC this week. Really? Is FOMC on the? I think it's a meeting minutes though. I don't think it's like a full FOMC. Is it? Yeah, it's FOMC minutes. So that's not like a full FOMC.
Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen.
Well, looks like the Bulls are trying to take control back here.
Gas explosive, and you're a
That's a bunch of bull. Sorry.
Bunch
More
of
dad
bulls.
jokes.
Bunch of Bulls taking over here. What the heck?
Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade.
Popping up here, midnight open price. Now, just trying to decide, are we going to try to
About traders
take a long going up here. What do we have for targets? What time do we got? Almost an hour here. Hour candle coming up.
Watching NQ, like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow
Right up to the midnight open price on this candle.
everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash incoming.
Chris back on the road after the airport. Sounds like.
Confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says.
We got about 10 seconds here till the hourly candle starts.
Chris, I'm hoping you're not trading from the road.
Yeah.
The discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery.
Are the bulls going to continue with this push here is a question. We do have a bearish fair value gap here up at, the midpoint is around 260 on the top side. We got a couple fair value gaps above. Previous day high is up there 287.
And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions.
Yeah, this price isn't very good. Only texting, chatting from the road, right, Chris? Yeah.
You know it ain't supposed to be interesting.
Oil's stable as
You can't stop.
do NQ.
Going crazy. Everybody
Some moderate resistance at 260.
suddenly Warren
Yeah.
Buffett. One guy says,
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says, massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there. Confused as hell. Just one more trade.
I think I might be done for the day.
I'm leaning that way too here. This just isn't, I mean, it is starting to push up finally, but it's kind of like, I don't know if I really trust it, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm still down on 15 accounts. I'm up on 11, and I'm not loving today. So I am at, I have a total loss for the day of $15.87.
Oh, that's not bad.
So I'm just gonna take that real small loss and go drink some coffee or something. So on that note, oh yeah, it's 9 o'clock. It's time to stop. Well, Dave, I'll see you in the morning.
Sounds good.
All right, have a good one. Hopefully I'll have my camera fixed by then.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'll
Nice.
talk to you in a bit.
Okay, next, yeah. Mick says, sounds like my day, except I have a $6 gain.
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here, brother.
Definitely wouldn't be looking for shorts anymore. Initial balance high just got taken out here. You know, I don't know, guys. I just don't really trust the price action now at this point. I'm green basically, and I got 60 in my TPT. I got 158 in my new Top One Futures daily account, and my was it the 100K account? Yeah, 203 in the 100K in my Top One Futures. So 350, a little over 400 profit on the day. No, Ralph has his spot. Yeah, Ralph's. I don't have the iPad set up for that, but hey, if you're feeling indecisive, then just don't even have to take a trade today. You don't have to trade every day, you know? Mondays are usually your best trading day. Make 50% of your money on Mondays. Nice, Mick. And look at that. Top previous day high. Almost to the T. And we're going to pull back now. Eight, 3, 5, 2, 8. Yeah. Price not cooperating with us today. Hey guys. We still have about 20 people in YouTube and looks like about 13 people in X. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. I appreciate the support. Sorry that, I wish we could make the market good every day, but doesn't seem to want to cooperate here. Well, guys, you know what? I think I'm going to wrap it up here too. I just don't want to, I'm up like what? Dashboard. I'm up a little over $400. So pretty happy with the session so far between Sunday's trades and today's trades. Okay. Yeah. 158 yesterday and 265 today. So pretty decent start to the session here. Up 423 on the week. So yeah. So I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I don't want to put any more risk on the table. This market is not really cooperating. I really wanted us to close the gap there. We didn't quite close the gap. We had that 80% set up. Keep that in mind, guys. We might still go there later today at some point. 30,062. But other than that, not sure where this is going to go. We could go back into this bearish fair value gap up at 30,330 area. But yeah, kind of in the middle of the range now and getting close to where I usually end the stream anyways. So I think we're just going to wrap it up here. So let's do our top fans shout out here. Thanks everybody. Hi Tam, Jerry Trades, Big Teflon, Mick Riker, Angia, Chris Skeletor, Born Hunting, FN Trades, Tim Core, Blackout News Network, Dr. Hamat, Night Build Audio, Czar Trader, Tape Reader Alex, Chill Out Project Music, D Blueprint, and Yamadad. Thanks, everybody. Yeah, so we'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come hang out. Let's catch some more trades. And then we'll also be live tomorrow night. I don't think I'm going to be on Wednesday. I got some stuff to take care of in the morning, so I won't be on Wednesday morning. Just a heads up, guys. But yeah, Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, we'll see you on the next stream tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a good one, guys. Love you. Bye-bye, guys. And girls.